Hello friends, today we're making cheesy scalloped potatoes. Start by peeling and slicing 6 medium potatoes to about 1/8 of an inch thick. If you like thicker slices, go ahead and slice up to 1/4 of an inch thick, adjusting cooking time as needed. Place your sliced potatoes in cold water until you are ready to use them. Lightly spray your baking dish and set aside. We used a 9 by 13 inch dish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the roux, melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, slowly add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, whisking constantly. When completely mixed, continue cooking for about 1 minute while whisking. After about a minute, reduce heat to medium-low and slowly add 2 cups of milk, whisking constantly. Once your sauce starts to thicken, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes, stir in 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Cajun seasoning, and 1 teaspoon paprika. Slowly add 1 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese. Reduce heat to low if needed. Next, add in 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Continue stirring until cheese sauce is completely smooth, then remove from heat. Remove potatoes from water and pat them dry. Then layer enough potatoes to cover the entire bottom of baking dish. Add about 1/3 of the sauce over the potatoes. Continue with another layer of potatoes, then add more sauce. Add your 3rd layer of potatoes and add the rest of your sauce. Add the top layer of potatoes with a pinch of salt and pepper. Add 1 cup shredded Gruyere cheese to the top, along with 1/4 cup Sharp Cheddar and about 1/4 cup Parmesan Cheese. Cover your baking dish with aluminum foil. Place in oven and cook for 35 minutes covered. Remove foil and cook for an additional 20 minutes or until potatoes are tender. You can also broil the dish for 5 minutes to brown the top. Remove from oven and allow this delicious side dish to cool for about 15 minutes. You're ready to serve. We hope you liked this video and consider subscribing. Enjoy!